Before we start the priming process, make sure the run-stop switch is in the stop position.
To make a delivery tube, use 1/2 inch outside diameter polyethylene tubing and create a long enough tube that will extend from the RGS to the throat of the machine without being too long that it creates excessive dips in the line. Next, get another section of 1/2 inch tubing and cut it roughly 6 to 8 inches long, and attach 2 push-to-fit elbows to each end. On one end, attach a color connector, and on the other end, attach the long length of tubing. If you're going to a pre-mixer, use a 3/8 reducer at the end of the delivery tube. This will then go into the pre-drilled hole of the pre-mixer. If you're going into a standard Riverdale Global throat adapter, use a quick disconnect supplied from Riverdale. Unseal the opening for the color connector by partially backing out the vent screw in the middle of the yellow cap. Next, turn the blue seal counterclockwise to free it from the connection port. Next, remove the cap from the color connector and then attach the color connector to the newly unsealed port on the pump. It is a 1/4 turn to fully attach and detach the color connector. Next, insert the tube into the delivery tube holder on the side of the RGS. The end of the tube will go into the throat of the adapter or pre-mixer of your machine. Finally, attach the actuator to the other slot on the pump head. This is also a 1/4 turn. Ensure the yellow air line on the back of the RGS is plugged in to the actuator. To prime a new delivery tube, use the down and up arrows to navigate to prime and press enter. Pressing enter with prime pump selected will begin the prime process. The RGS will run continuously for up to 1 minute to get color through the pump and delivery tube. Keep in mind that this process may result in color coming out of the end of the delivery tube. Press the back key to end the prime process just as the color reaches the end of the delivery tube.